just like that, she is gone. Wow, what a whirlwind of an 8 months we had together. We're gonna miss her. So funny, Morgan's like, dude, don't worry. Like, he saw like how sad I look, right? He was like, dude, don't worry, man, the next one's even gonna be better. Anyways, that's that. All right, so we got our envelope for the new car that I'm buying. Now we have to get this signed so I can send it back and they can ship me my car. Please sign all documents were highlighted and return to the with the supplied envelope. All right, let's do this. Alright, so we're all done with that. Got the receipt. Make sure you get it tomorrow in Chicago, noon. So, well, not noon, but the afternoon. So, let's get out of here.
Hi Joe, I wanted to let you know that your car is all ready and it's about to get picked up. I hope you love it and I hope you're excited about it. It's such a good and I think you're going to have a lot of fun.
Hey guys, what is going on? It is a glorious day here, and remember the time when Morgan took my R8 away? Remember that? Remember what I said? Remember what he said? He said that, don't worry Joe, because the next one's even gonna be better. Well, we didn't have to wait that long for that next one. I think not even a month has passed, and the next one is coming, and it's coming right now. And I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for this truck to deliver my car. Let's see what's going on. Let's look down the street. Nothing there. Nothing there. You know, the best part is actually the waiting, you know? It's, gives you that feeling like when you were like dating and stuff, you know? Because something new is about to be a part of your life. And what I try to do, even though I want to so bad to just God, I need it now, but you know, I need to tell myself, you know, you need to calm down, because you have to relish these times. And yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do. But still, that little kid inside me is like, oh, I want to open my present now. But I'll have to wait, man. Good things come to those who wait. So we wait. Alright guys, this is it, man. What? Looks like he's gonna have to be doing some shuffling. Man, I'm just so excited. See what's going on. There she is. There she is, guys. It's the brown one, the gray one. No, look how beautiful, man. Ernest told me that he got snowed in a bit coming down here, so we're gonna have to give her a proper wash today. Hey, Ernest! I know he said no video, but screw it. I need to help him. Here's to you, Italy. Alfa Romeo. And Mom for letting me get it. Hey, you got your purses.
I did. I'm very happy.
Send it.
It's sweet. You like the sweet?